switch to Lightning. In this course, we are explaining on the Lightning because present day everyone is shifting from Classic to Lightning because Salesforce only recommended to use Classic, like all other things migrating to Classic to Salesforce. So I will basically this training will be depend on Lightning only. We will concentrate only Lightning. Classic also same, but some difference will be there. Not much changes. It's a UI, only UI, where we can make our application in Lightning also, Classic also. But nowadays, Lightning is taking everyone moving from Classic to Lightning. They are migrating. So fully we will concentrate on Lightning in this course. Okay. For that, first we will learn what are the licenses in Salesforce. Okay. See, license will specify that set of basic feature user will get on his organization. Like if we, whenever that user gets the license, right, we will get some specific features for that licenses. Based on the licenses, he can see whatever things he can see, uh, whatever application he can use, whatever things he can use will be defined by these licenses. Every user need licenses to log in. For you need to create an user means like mandatory you need to assign a license for him for logging into Salesforce, like Salesforce license. Like this license is designed for those user who need complete access to CRM and force.com. Like these are the licenses which were built for the like CRM and force.com. CRM is where we will enter our data, everything will be captured. Force.com is we will it's an instance where we will create our requirements, what are our business requirements, we will create on the force.com instance. For that, we are for creating also we need an licenses. User with this license can access CRM application developed by Salesforce, and then this is a Salesforce platform license. See, this license is designed for those users who need access for the force.com. Okay, and user with this license cannot access CRM application developed by the Salesforce, like standard applications which are developed by the Salesforce, right? That we cannot be used. Okay, those applications he cannot use. Only custom application he can use, and for using Salesforce application also, you need a there is another license as I said yesterday, Salesforce license. You need that thing, okay? That license using he can view the standard Salesforce application also. There are other set of license community license. The community is a portal where for there are many types of communities. Communities are there, partner community, like customer community. Another like for the customer, we will interaction or their doubts will create a community. There are separate types of community that I will take in next section. But for that using that community cloud, we need a community license, right? We need a community license for logging into that community and make self-service. Okay, for logging into that community, we need a separate licenses. Knowledge only users. So this license is designed for those users who need access only for knowledge application for understanding what are the things. Like we will mention that knowledge thing. We can set that also. For see for you have created any product like license or a software, you have some issue. If those issue can be made some knowledge articles and they keep kept there using this license with you, like you can see what are the like troubleshooting thing will be mentioned in that. Based on that, using using that steps you can solve that issue. Only he can access for knowledge based article, not CRM and force.com. It cannot be accessible for that. This is the overview of licenses which are there in Salesforce.